Today we will show you how to use CloudABIS and CloudScanr with Watson Mini 2print. First, go to our website identity.cloudabis.com and click on sign up. Enter the required details such as your email address and password. Once you are done, you will get a verification code in your email. Copy and paste it. Then choose the subscription method. For this demonstration, we will choose subscribe. For this demonstration, we will choose Fingerprint as the modality. Once you're done, click on Save. These are the subscription packages that we have. You can also choose monthly or annual subscription based on your requirement. Enter your card details and then you are done registering. The first step is to download CloudScanr. Once the CloudScanr client is downloaded, run the installer and install the application in your desktop. Once you're done installing the application, launch it. Choose Watson Mini 2print as the device and click on Save. The next step is to get your biometric IDs. For the device name, we will choose Watson Mini here and then enter it in the device name field that we have in the request body. We remove the configurable fields and click on Try It Out. CloudScanr will then prompt you to place your fingers. Once you're done, click on Submit and this will give you a response body containing the fingerprint base64 image templates. Copy the image templates and paste it somewhere where you can use it. Now go to the Biometric Information API Integration Guide. First, you will need to authorize your access token. For this, you will need your client API key and the client key. Copy and paste it in the required spaces. You will get an access token. Copy the access token and authorize it at the top of the page. Once it's authorized, go to API Biometrics Register and click on Try It Out. Remove the configurable fields, copy and paste the client key, enter registration ID. For this demonstration, we will use John Wick as the registration ID. Now, we will copy and paste the base64 image templates that we copied in the notepad. Remove the other configurable fields and click on Execute. This will give us a response body showing that our biometric registration is a success. As you can see here, the member ID and associated biometric data has been added to the system. Next, we will go to the Identify option. First, we copy the request body that we used here for register and then go to the Identify API. We copy and paste the request body there and remove the registration ID. Once we are done, we click on Execute and this will give us a success message. As you can see here, the success message says submitting biometric data match that of an enroll member and the registration ID is John Wick. Now we will show you how to delete a biometric ID. We go to API Biometric Delete ID, remove the configurable fields, copy and paste the client key and then enter the registration ID, which in this case was John Wick. Once we enter it, this will give us a success message showing that the registration ID has been deleted. In this way, you can use other biometric operations such as identify, verify, update, change ID, delete ID. You can also reach out to our support portal where you can live chat with our customer support agents, or you can search for your queries in our FAQs section. If you need more information regarding our products, please visit our website www.m2sys.com.